Hey friends, it's Evelise J, Ivelisse, and I'm back with the, I don't know why I start over. Hey friends, it's Evelise J, Ivelisse, and I'm back with another freaking video. Now, before we do anything, before we go any further, before you start actually watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you at it, you could just go watch my other videos. So like I said in my last video or my next video, I'm gonna be doing like my next couple videos with I'm gonna be looking the same because in the moment I didn't record an intro. So y'all know I hate starting videos without an intro because it's like, what are you doing? Like, what is this video about? So I'm just coming to you guys to, like I said, give y'all like a little talking part. So yeah, I didn't even notice you could hear somebody snoring, but we're just gonna ignore that. So this video is gonna be my visual diary. It's gonna be like my spring cleaning. We're just talking life update type of video. Y'all know I did a few already, so I'm pretty sure y'all know how like it goes. But if y'all don't know, basically I'm just gonna be showing scenes. Behind the scenes is gonna be like a voiceover of me talking about a topic, of me talking about whatever. So like I said, y'all get the visuals and y'all get like a conversation. It's kind of like, when I think about it, it's kind of like a podcast, kind of, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna be like cleaning out my closet, like taking out all my old clothes, putting in my summer clothes, doing all of that. There's nothing much to say. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so like I just said, or y'all can see from the title of the video or the thumbnail, y'all just gonna be watching me do like a whole like closet spring cleaning. And I'm just taking out everything old, everything I don't use, and things that I just don't see a purpose for, and getting rid of them, like, which is basically where I am and what I'm doing with my life right now. Just removing things that no longer serve me a purpose and things that no longer bring me peace or happiness. So it's basically like out with the old and with the new. This is just going to be like a refresher, a life update, whatever you want to call it, on where I am in life, what lessons I'm going through. Because a lot of times, you know, when you watch videos, it's like certain people are going through the same things you are. So like I said, I'm just coming just to let you guys know things like that, so y'all could like I always say, y'all could have somebody to feel like you relate to. So basically, I'm just gonna start off on telling you guys what's changed, what's different, what's new. I got a new job, which is something I'm very excited for. Like, it's in like the field of where I want to work in, like, you know, with human services and like helping others and like, you know, stuff like that. And it's a mix of just everything that I like together. I'm not gonna get like too deep into it just because like people be weird, like, so I don't want to like tell you guys where I work or tell you guys more or less like give you guys hints, because like I said, people be weird. So yeah, like I quit my last job, which happened to be like the longest job that I've held in years. And when I say years, I'm talking about years. Like, when it comes to jobs, like within the past couple years, it's been so hard for me to stay at a job. I'm not gonna say keep one, because it don't be like I be getting fired. I just quit. Like, I'll stay at a job for like 3 months, quit, stay at a job for like 4 months, quit, stuff like that. It's just been like an ongoing cycle up until, like I said, my last job. I was there for almost a year, and I was just so proud of myself. Like, the longer I stood there, the more proud I was, because it just showed my growth in stability, responsibility, and just my overall tolerance with jobs and people. Like, it showed that, okay, like I may have a bad day at work, but that doesn't mean to quit the job, you know. Just, I don't know, I just learned how to tolerate more, if that makes sense. But I'm gonna be honest, like, I wasn't happy there. Like, I just felt like I was miserable. I was dragging myself to work every day. And it's not like, you know, it was like anything specific that was happening. I just wasn't happy. Like, I just felt like I was going there for no reason. I just felt like, I don't know, like it wasn't serving me a purpose, in my opinion. Like, of course, there's lessons that I've learned from there. Of course, there's things that, you know, I took away from working there. But overall, I just felt like it wasn't doing anything for me personally. Like, and, you know, I just felt like I was letting the time make up for my happiness. Like I said, I was proud that I was able to stay at that one job for a long time. So I just felt like I was using that as an excuse to why I was still there. Like, you know, when people are in relationships, they often let like the history and the time past be the reason why they still stay. Like, you know, they be like, oh, well, we've been together for 5 years, so, and they'll just use that as an excuse as to why they're still together. Like, it may not have anything to do with how happy they are. It may not have anything to do with, you know, how much joy the relationship brings them, but it's just, like I said, they use that time and, you know, that history to, like I said, make up for why they still together. So that's what I felt like I was doing. Like, and it was more of a personal thing as to why I stood. Like, I felt like if I would have quit, I just would have been disappointed in myself, because I would have felt like I took a few steps back, when in reality I just felt like I was holding myself back, you know, because I was comfortable, because I'm like, you know, it's the same thing, it's an easy job, but it's like I said, it wasn't doing anything for me. Like, I wasn't happy there. I wasn't finding any type of joy there. It's like, you know, the people I worked with I liked, and like I said, it wasn't anything specific. It was just, like I said, like towards the end, you know, like when stuff like starts piling up and you just feel like it takes that one thing to just make you leave. And that's what I feel like was happening. Like, things was just, and it would be like little things were just like piling up, and you know, I just knew when it was my time to go. But yeah, this new job, I'm very happy there. I feel very comfortable. The people are, you know, positive and uplifting. The job itself, I love. And yeah, I'm just so happy there. I done got moved up already. You know, I like small promotion type stuff, but yeah, I'm just happy there. I just feel like every time I go in, I'm not dragging myself to work. It's like I'm going in to do something that I love. And it's like I said, it even made me shift gears as far as school, and we're just going to talk about that right now. So yeah, that's where I was, you know, a little update as far as work. But school, like being at this job, just made me want to consider changing majors, which I did, or I'm in the process of doing. So y'all know I did ODU online, and I was doing it for social work and like human services and stuff like that. But I actually decided to transfer from ODU, and I'm just going to be going back to a community college to major, or like, I don't know. It's like a program. I don't know if it's like an actual associate's program or like a certificate program or something like that. But I'm going back to my community college that I graduated from to, I'm gonna say, major in something else, in something more relating to what I'm doing now in this new job. So I don't know, like, I just feel like things are just changing for the better. And like I said, I really feel like my last job was holding me back, like holding me back from what I could have been, holding me back from, you know, where I needed to be. And like I said, I did learn a lot being there. I'm not gonna, you know, like be like, oh, that job taught me nothing. No, it did. Like, it showed me, like I said, that I'm able to be stable, that I'm able to be responsible when needed, that I'm able to tolerate things on any given day. And like I said, now it's time to take those lessons I learned there and apply it to something bigger, apply it to something that's actually bringing me joy, bringing me happiness, something that I see a future with. So yeah, I just feel like things are just changing for the better right now. There's new people in my life. I'm not gonna say too much on that. That's a long story. So like I said, I'm not gonna get too deep in that. But I just feel like right now, like I said, like things are changing, things that no longer serve me a purpose, things that no longer have use is like pushing its way out. New things are coming in, new experiences, new lessons, and I'm just open for it all. And I can't wait to see, you know, what these like next few months is gonna hold. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to speak too early, because, you know, sometimes like I manifest to myself, but as far as like manifesting online or I really don't do that, because you don't know, like I said, who's wishing you bad, who's low-key hating but gonna say congratulations. But like I said, like I just keep stuff like that to myself, like stuff that's like upcoming. But yeah, y'all, like I feel like this related to the video, because it's like I'm spring cleaning, I'm, you know, cleansing, I'm doing all of that, which I feel like I'm doing in real life. So it's like, I mean, cleaning my closet is real life, but y'all know what I mean, like more deeper. But yeah, I'm just happy. Like, I'm just happy. I'm in a good place. I'm starting to work on my content more, because I have so many videos to edit, so many things to do as far as YouTube, so many goals, so it's just a lot of new coming. So like I said, like I was in a, I wouldn't say dark place, but I was in a very, I don't know, stagnant place. And now I feel better. I feel like I'm growing. I feel like, you know, there's more stuff happening and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna be able to actually stay focused on content. Y'all know I need my little like breaks away from Instagram and breaks away from YouTube and stuff like that. So, but when I come back, I be coming back better. I be coming back with more content, better editing, better thumbnails and stuff like that. So that's what's new to come. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, I hope that y'all watched this and, you know, it just motivated y'all, or it just pushed y'all to keep on pushing, keep on, you know, working, keep on, you know, because it's like I said, better things are coming. Like, what's coming is going to be better than what's gone. Like, you know, sometimes when you lose stuff, or sometimes when you, like, I don't know, when stuff falls apart, it's like, you know, you get like discouraged and stuff like that. But I'm just here to tell y'all that don't, like, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like, what you lost, you're gonna get 10 times more. Like, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this or whatever I have coming up on my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that post notification so you know every time I post.